Let's insert many records, many records. Okay, so let's start. Show DBS. So we have all the databases. We'll get into Shaji database. We say use Shaji, press enter. Now we are in Shaji database. Say show collection, show collections. So there is EMP1. I'm going to remove this particular table. Okay, first of all, say what is there. Say db dot emp1 mp1 dot find, bracket open, bracket close, enter. So there are 5 records here, and all the records are having different column length. Okay, I'm going to remove this entire thing. So we'll say db dot emp1 dot delete many, delete many, many, bracket open, curly bracket open, curly bracket close, and small bracket close. Check db dot emp1 dot delete many, bracket open, curly bracket open and close, and the small bracket close. Okay, so this is the way how to delete many records from a particular table or say collections. So I'm deleting from emp1. So all the records in the emp1 will be deleted. Right, so let's say find. So there is no records. Okay, now let's create EMP. Okay, so for that purpose we will create by inserting some records into it, the EMP table or EMP collection. Okay, we will insert some records into EMP and will create the EMP collection. So let's go to our notepad and let's check. Minimize notepad. Okay, so we say db dot emp dot insert many, M capital, camel case again. Okay, curly bracket open, curly bracket close. We have the curly bracket, box bracket open and close, and within this, okay, within this, okay, so this is our small bracket, box bracket, and this is a close, and this is the close of small. Okay, in between this, okay, or I'll say here itself better. Okay, this one, and right here curly bracket open and close, comma, curly bracket open and close, comma, curly bracket open and close. So these are the document. This is the JSON document that you insert here. So here 3 records or 3 document will be inserted in this case. Okay, if I break it, it can be done this way. Okay, so this is our first JSON document, this is our second JSON document, this is the third JSON document, and so on. This again further I can break it, first, second, and third. Okay, this way. So let's an example of it. Okay, so here we are insert many. Here we write EMP 1, okay, sorry, emp, okay. Then say insert many, bracket open, bracket close, okay, bracket close and bracket here, and this is our JSON document, one document. I'm copying this. I'll make it multiple way into V, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we are going to insert 10 records. Okay, I'll number it properly. ID number should be unique, so I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this we has 10. Okay, similarly here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one is 10. Okay, again here this I'll take it as say 25, 30, 35, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 10. Okay, similarly scores will say 50, 60, 55, 65, 70, 75, 25, 35, 30. Okay, over. Then this ID I didn't want it in quotes. Okay, so I'll remove these quotes. Removing the quotes, I'll say okay. Then we have these quotes here. Right, okay, so this is the way. And then we have comma here, remove this comma. Okay, so because last comma is not needed. Okay, so this way, first comma, second comma, third comma, last comma we don't want it because we are closing the brackets, right? So we are going to insert 10 records or 10 documents into the EMP collection, and EMP collection is not there, so we will be creating it. First we'll create the EMP document and then it will insert it. Okay, so let's go ahead. So I'll copy this from here to here, right click, copy, we go to shell, right click, find, and press enter. So 10 records has been inserted with these IDs. Okay, let's say find, this is not find from EMP. Okay, 10 records has been inserted. Fantastic. Okay, now let's insert in some different way. I'll show you another way of inserting records. Okay, let's go to the notepad. Okay, we'll go to notepad, say this. Okay, not this, this one. Okay, so we have this thing, and I'll change it because we are going to add this record. Okay, so ID should be say 1 1 1 1, okay, and this will be 20, okay, 11 12, and here, okay, 1 1, and this will be 20. Rest remains the same thing, consider, okay. So we are going to insert these records. Already we inserted up to 1 to 10, and from 11 to 20 we are going to insert it, okay. So this I'll save it, okay, save this, and it's asking the file name. I'll say into F drive, we say practice, okay. In practice we'll say JS, okay, .js. So instead of new, I'll say my data, okay, my data, and I say JS, okay. I'll say in practice directory, save. So it has saved it. So where is it? f:\practice f:\practice.mydata.js, okay, fine, okay. So now it has saved it. Now let's go to our shell, minimize this, go to shell, and here we say load, 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 bracket open, bracket close, bracket open, bracket close. So we say load and say directory name within quotes, okay, say f:\practice, okay, // see every slash should be followed with double slash, okay, or whatever slash you have it. Then we have my data dot JS, correct. So we have f:\practice / my data dot JS. So this file will be loaded and executed into the EMP, because we are already given as what, EMP table. It will be inserted into which table? EMP, right, EMP. So in EMP, that is collection, this insert, it will insert all the data will be inserted into the EMP collection from 11 12 onwards up to 20, okay. Insert many. So let's see, enter shell. What is that? Unexpected, okay. Let's say practice load f:// practice error loading JS file f:, okay. This is in the shell. So let's see here, some mistake here, enter 13 shell, bracket open, bracket close, okay, rename, okay, okay, okay. So where's the mistake? Okay, this one, okay. I'll remove this, okay, I'll save it, fine, okay. Now it's okay. So now we'll go back to our shell, okay, and I'll say press enter, fine. It says true, that means it has been loaded and executed. Now we'll say find EMP. Now some data extra has been added, 11 12 13 up to 20 has been added here, okay. So this way we can add records or many records into the table or into the collection by using load command. Load command and the file name should be separated. The slash should be having double slash. Give the full path of the file name, and the file name should have a .js extension. Okay, so we have it. Same find. Okay, so this way we can have all the records.